used to look at wash day as a major chore because it meant spending hours going through the motions of shampooing, deep conditioning, detangling, styling, and drying. Then I simplified my routine. I found one that isn't so terrible, and I find ways to enjoy the process, like playing background music I enjoy, for example. I like to allow my hair to get completely soaked, then I start separating it gently. I guess you can call it mild finger detangling. If I start shampooing before doing this step, I've found that my hair always tangles up a lot more. I'm not loyal to any particular brand, so I just usually shampoo my hair with whichever sulfate-free shampoo I have. This week, the one I'm using is from Garnier Fructis. After rinsing out my shampoo and my hair is nice and squeaky clean, I move on to deep conditioner. The instructions for my deep conditioner says that I should leave it on for at least 10 minutes, but who really has time to sit around in the shower and wait for that to happen, right? So I found a deep conditioner with great slip that I can also use as a detangler. That way, I can allow my hair to deep condition for the appropriate time, while I also get to save time and money by detangling as well. This brush has changed my life. I literally cannot do wash day without it. Detangling my hair is so easy, and the brush gets all the tangles out in no time without pulling my hair. After I detangled all of the sections, I rinsed the deep conditioner out with cold water. My hair feels so soft and moisturized. Next, I go in with my DIY Essential Hair Oil Blend to help lock the moisture in. Then I rinse out the excess oil so my hair isn't too greasy. Lastly, I apply my leave-in conditioner, and then I move on to the styling phase of my routine. I'm a low maintenance natural, so I usually just decide on one base style on wash day, and then I just stretch that style for the rest of the week. This week I decided to do a braid out and stretched hair. I already have an in-depth tutorial on how I do this style on my channel, so I link it for those of you that are interested in doing this style. Of course, I never forget to use my heat protectant whenever I'm applying heat to my hair. This is just to minimize the risk of getting heat damage. I'm not really going for bone straight hair, so that's the reason why you're going to see me just lightly blow out my hair. I just need it to be in a slightly stretched state. Now I'm just going to divide my hair into smaller sections so that I can begin braiding. And this week I was going for more of a fluffy look, so I'm just going to be using this one styling product. It's the Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter from Carol's Daughter. I'm going to apply just a dime size of that and then start braiding. Yeah, and this is a super simple style, guys. I always prefer a style that doesn't take too much effort and one that I know will give me great results every single time. I slept with my hair in these braids overnight and for the next day, which will be day 2, because I wasn't really going anywhere, so I didn't see the need to take it down. Now I'm applying some oil to my hands just to help minimize frizz. I'm not sure if this really works, but ever since I went natural, this is what I've been hearing that we're supposed to do. So this is what I've been doing. And I'm just separating my hair as I take it apart. Today I decided to rock my hair open because I really was feeling this style. It's 9 p.m. and as you can see, humidity 1 and net 0. All of my definition is gone, but I'm not too bothered because I'm accustomed to it by now. I'm usually tired at nights, so tonight was no different. I just decided to split my hair into 2 sections. It doesn't have to be straight or anything like that because I'm not going to be wearing my hair out like this. This is just to protect it while I sleep. So yeah, I'm just going to braid it in these 2 jumbo braids and then it's off to bed. Again, I'll be sleeping on my satin pillowcase to protect my hair. It's day 4. Today I'm just going to be undoing these braids quickly. I'm a bit late for work, so I just wanted a nice quick style, and unfortunately the rain was falling this day, so I chose not to wear my hair open. I'm just going to go for a nice smooth low bun. That way my hair is protected and it's not rubbing against my clothes, as well as it wouldn't poof up because of the humidity. And yeah, that's it. A nice simple and cute style, and I'm ready for the day. I literally fell asleep, and as you can see, my hair is in shambles, but I knew I needed to come and show you guys how I'll be wearing it. I was super tired this night, so 2 buns on top was good enough for me, and I'm securing those with my satin scrunchie. Quick and easy. I don't usually have time every single night to rebraid my hair, and this night these 2 buns worked just fine. This is the last day that I am going to be showing you guys. I really love the low bun from the previous day, so I'm just going to be repeating that. And again, once I find a style that I like, I usually just kill it for the week. So that's the reason why I'm going to stop here. I'm just going to neaten up my edges and follow the same routine as the previous day. I know that this video wasn't really too over the top, but I really wanted to share my realistic hair routine with you guys so that you can see that it's possible to tweak and simplify your own routine to suit your lifestyle and show that having natural hair doesn't need to be a burden. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you as always for supporting my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.